These examples here deal with special right triangles. As we know, there are two special right triangles, the 45-45-90 and the 30-60-90. So the first thing you have to realize is that this is a special case. It doesn't apply all the time. It only applies when these angles are equal to 45-45-90 and 30-60-90. Once you can identify them as one of these two special triangles, you can use the rule to solve triangles really quickly. Here are some examples. Number 7, the two legs are the exact same thing, so I know it's a 45-45-90 or a right isosceles triangle. When the two legs are the same thing, the hypotenuse is the leg times the square root of 2, which in this case is 6 times the square root of 2, which can't be simplified. It's just 6 root 2. That's your answer. Quick and easy one for that one. The second one is a 30-60-90 triangle because I know there's a 30 degree and 90 degree, and if I use the triangle angle sum theorem, you could figure out that that third angle is 60. What happens now is we have to refer to the rule. The rule says the hypotenuse is twice as big as the short leg. That's my hypotenuse that's given. It's twice as big as the short leg. So to find x, I do 14 divided by 2. That's 7. Therefore, x is equal to 7. Great. Now, the next thing you have to realize is when you have the short leg, which is again opposite the 30-degree angle, you can find the long leg by just multiplying it by the square root of 3. So if x is 7, and I can write it right there just to remember, then y is 7 times the square root of 3. In other words, y is 7 root 3. There we go. All right, example number 9 here. So be careful, don't fall into the trap. You can identify this as a 30-60-90 right triangle, but you have to realize that the 8 root 3 is not the side that typically goes with the root 3. The 8 root 3 is our short leg. So treating it like the short leg, I would double it to find the hypotenuse. So 2 times 8 root 3 would get me the value of x, which is 16 root 3. Okay, because again, that's just going to the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is double the length of the short leg. Finding the long leg. Here you have the short leg is 8 root 3. To find the long leg, you multiply that by the square root of 3. Might look a little weird at first, but that's okay. You multiply the radicands together to get 8 root 9, which you should realize root 9. Square root of 9 is 3. So 8 times 3 gives me the value of y, which is 24. So again, these are our shortcuts, our quick ways of solving special right triangles.